We're very fortunate at Ortho San Antonio to be in a position where we can expand our group and bring on partners that fit the model that we've established. And what that means is we're looking for the best of the best. We don't want to be the biggest group in town or in the region, but we want to be the best. So we're very fortunate in that the surgeons we have involved are all extremely skilled. Most of us were in academics at one point or another. Some of us have maintained an academic element to their practice. And so these are things that we continue to hold ourselves to a high standard in regards to. And we try to cultivate that idea throughout the entire group. And so rather than having to bring on partners out of expediency, we're able to do it out of need and whether or not that person would be a good fit for our group moving forward as a whole.